North Wollongong Beach is one of the city's most popular and vibrant stretches of coastline, loved for its wide sandy shoreline, reliable surf, and relaxed coastal atmosphere. With rolling waves, open views north and south, and a patrolled swimming area, it's a favourite spot for swimmers, surfers, families, and anyone chasing that classic beach day vibe. Morning light here is especially beautiful, with sunrise casting soft colour across the water and escarpment backdrop. What really sets North Wollongong Beach apart is how seamlessly it blends beach life with food and coffee culture. Just steps from the sand, you'll find a lively strip of cafés and restaurants serving everything from takeaway coffee and beachside breakfasts to relaxed lunches and sunset dinners. It's easy to go from a swim or coastal walk straight to a cafe table, making this area perfect for slow mornings, casual catch-ups, or refueling after time in the sun. Whether you're here for a surf, a stroll along the foreshore, or a long brunch overlooking the ocean, North Wollongong Beach delivers the full coastal experience. Scenic, social, and effortlessly laid back, it's a must-visit destination that captures the best of Wollongong's beach lifestyle, where sand, sea, and good food all come together. Don't forget to enjoy the little things in life, like our video and subscribe to The Holiday Hunter, and we'll see you on the next adventure.